How vacuum cleaner works. A vacuum cleaner, also known as a vacuum or hoover, uses suction to remove dust, dirt, and debris from floors, carpets, and other surfaces. A vacuum cleaner is powered by an electric motor, usually located in the main body or the canister. The motor drives a fan or impeller, which creates a partial vacuum inside the vacuum cleaner. As the electric motor runs, it creates a low-pressure area inside the vacuum cleaner. This low pressure causes air to rush into the cleaner, creating suction. The suction created by the motor draws in air through an intake port or nozzle located at the bottom of the vacuum cleaner. The intake port is designed to pick up dirt and debris from the surface being cleaned. Before the air is expelled back into the room, it passes through one or more filters inside the vacuum cleaner. The filters are designed to trap and capture dust, allergens, and other particles, preventing them from being released back into the air. The dirt and debris picked up by the suction are collected and stored in a dustbin, bag, or canister, depending on the type of vacuum cleaner. Bagless models use a dustbin or canister, while bagged models use disposable bags to contain the collected dirt. Overall, a vacuum cleaner works by creating suction through an electric motor, drawing in air along with dirt and debris. The collected dirt is then filtered and stored, while clean air is expelled back into the room.